The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't official yet, but the hype is real. Leaks and rumors are everywhere, and for good reason. Samsung's Ultra line always aims high, and this year's whispers hint at major leaps. We're hearing about revolutionary camera tech, smarter AI, and big design changes. The S25 Ultra set a high bar. Can the S26 Ultra top it? That's the big question, and the rumor mill is in overdrive. From game-changing features to battery breakthroughs, the excitement is building. This video breaks down the most credible leaks and wildest rumors. What's likely? What's wishful thinking? We'll unpack everything we know so far about the S26 Ultra. If you're a tech fan, you'll want to stick around. Let's dive into what could make this Samsung's most ambitious phone yet. The anticipation is real. Let's get started. We'll look at cameras, AI, design, and more. Ready to see what the future might hold? Here's what's cooking with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's jump in. This is what we're hearing. Let's start with cameras. Samsung's signature move. The S26 Ultra is rumored to pack another 200MP main sensor, but it's not just about megapixels. Expect better image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Variable aperture tech could return, giving you more control in tricky lighting. Upgraded telephoto and periscope lenses are also on the table. Think sharper zoom, longer reach, and less digital noise. A quad camera setup is likely, main ultra-wide and 2 telephotos for ultimate flexibility. Whether you're shooting landscapes or close-ups, Samsung wants you covered. The goal? A complete optical toolkit in your pocket. Rumors suggest even better sensors for zoom, making distant shots clearer than ever. Imagine capturing concerts or wildlife with crisp detail. Samsung's pushing for no compromises in camera options. If these leaks are true, mobile photography could hit a new level. The S26 Ultra might set a new standard for flagship cameras. It's all about versatility and quality. Will it deliver? We'll have to wait and see. But the camera rumors alone are enough to get excited. Stay tuned for more on what could be the best phone camera yet. Let's see if Samsung can really pull it off. The bar is set high. Now let's talk AI, the hottest topic in tech. Samsung is rumored to partner with Perplexity AI for smarter, faster assistance. Imagine a phone that truly understands your needs, offering real-time, context-aware help. This could mean a new default assistant or a supercharged Bixby or Google Assistant. Expect One UI 8, built on Android 16, packed with AI features throughout. Smarter photo editing, seamless language translation, and predictive text that actually gets you. The goal: a phone that learns your habits and anticipates your needs. Enhanced AI isn't just a gimmick, it's about making your phone genuinely helpful. If Samsung nails the integration, the S26 Ultra could feel like a true digital companion. The new Snapdragon chip will power all this, ensuring smooth performance and advanced AI processing. It's about more than speed, it's about intelligence. Imagine less time searching, more time doing. The S26 Ultra could redefine what smartphone really means. Will Perplexity AI change the game? It's a strong possibility. Samsung's betting big on AI, and the stakes are high. If it works, your phone could feel more personal than ever. The future of mobile AI might start here. We'll see if Samsung can deliver on the promise. Smarter, faster, more intuitive, that's the vision. The S26 Ultra could be the smartest phone yet. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's talk design. What's changing on the outside? Rumors point to a slimmer camera bump, making the phone sleeker and more comfortable. The front camera debate continues. Improved under-display tech or a refined punch hole. Samsung might play it safe or go for a truly uninterrupted display. The S Pen slot could be on the chopping block, freeing up space for a bigger battery or slimmer build. If the slot goes, expect a magnetic attachment or a special case for the S Pen. It's a big shift, especially for Note fans, but could mean a better overall design. Some will miss the built-in slot, others may welcome the change. The focus is on refinement, less bulk, more elegance. Every design choice has trade-offs, but Samsung seems ready to shake things up. A sleeker profile and new camera placement could set the S26 Ultra apart. The design rumors are bold. Will Samsung take the risk? If they do, the S26 Ultra could look and feel dramatically different. It's all about balancing innovation with user needs. The next Ultra might be the most refined yet. Are you ready for a new look? The design changes could be the most controversial yet. Let's see what Samsung decides. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse. Rumors suggest a massive 7000 mAh battery. Think true 2-day life for heavy users. New silicon carbon battery tech could mean faster charging and longer lifespan. More power, less bulk, that's the promise. The next-gen Snapdragon chip is expected, bringing speed, efficiency, and advanced AI. This chip will handle gaming, multitasking, and all those smart features with ease. Samsung's aiming for a phone that never slows down. Launch is likely January 2026, following Samsung's usual schedule. If these features land, the S26 Ultra could shake up the market. Cameras, AI, battery, Samsung's pushing boundaries everywhere. The S26 Ultra could be a landmark device for the brand. Are you excited for these upgrades? Which rumored feature stands out to you? Let us know in the comments. The S26 Ultra is still months away, but the leaks are promising. If even half of this comes true, it'll be a game changer. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest on Samsung's next big thing.